As with all pet parents, taking care of our furry friends is a top priority. And one concerning statistic, though, according to the American Veterinary Medical Association, approximately 1 in 4 dogs will develop a tumor at some stage in their life. And joining us now with more about the first of its kind National Canine Cancer Registry that offers a ray of hope to dog lovers everywhere is Dr. Sue Ettinger. Dr. Ettinger is a veterinary cancer specialist and Take Charge Scientific Advisory Board member. And joining her is Lisa Conti, who is the founder and CEO of Jaguar Health. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Appreciate you taking out the time this morning, so let's break this down. Dr. Ettinger, tell us a little bit more about the first Gallup survey findings of pet owners really addressing their experience with canine cancer.
Yeah, so much information was collected. We interviewed just under 6,000 people. 67% of them had dogs. And like I said, ton of information, but what I'll highlight is the incidence and prevalence. And so 3.4% was the prevalence of cancer in 2021, which is less than in people. What is interesting and a little bit scary is the incidence, the newly diagnosed cancer cases, which was 2.8%. That was five times what we're seeing in people for the newly diagnosed cancer. And so why we need this registry is to be able to unpack this information, understand it by geographical location, by breed, by specific tumor types, by the sex of the dog. And so really, so we can unpack this information, help veterinarians treat and diagnose cancer, and help pet owners who love their dogs.
I mentioned the Take Charge registry. What exactly is the mission of that, and how does it work?
What a Take Charge registry is all about, what a registry is all about, is information that's organized, that's actionable, data and facts. So, for example, this allows us the opportunity to assess the risk of cancer in our dogs. It also provides the best opportunity for early diagnosis, what are the best, for example, prevention measures, treatment measures, and overall, how do we provide the best care and comfort to our dogs, since they provide so much care and comfort to us in our life. And the great thing about a registry is it takes an event which is scary and siloed, a dog diagnosis, and it harnesses the shared experience of a community so that we can get information that can allow us to benefit and take charge of our dog's health.
Looking at all those images while we were rolling during that, I'm just like, oh, I want to go take care of my pet now, even more so. So with this registry, it's first of its kind, right?
Exactly.
First of its kind, yep.
And so needed. So
how then can vets and really dog owners then learn more about this registry?
So go to takechargeregistry.com, and that's the opportunity for pet owners and veterinarians to upload. It's for free, it's open source, and upload information in an anonymous way about the health records of dogs who have experienced cancer. This is a long-term commitment, so we're just at the beginning of it now. And there'll also be an index, so we can see over time, are we having improvements in the outcomes of the dogs who are afflicted with cancer and the overall experience for the whole family.
And that website really breaks it down. I was just seeing the visuals on that, how it even breaks it down by breed. I have a Labrador Retriever, and that one was the one. My eyes were popping into it because I was seeing the statistics with that breed itself. Is there anything else you'd like to add, ladies, before we wrap up this interview this morning?
I think the biggest thing is just for everyone to get involved. As Lisa was saying, it's so important for veterinary clinics to upload the information. Everything's anonymous, everything's free, and for pet owners as well. I have 2 Labradors as well, so that statistic hit me hard as well. And again, we need more information because information is power.
Well, ladies, appreciate your time this morning. You're right, information is that power, and that website we have right there on your screen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, again, just head to that website, takechargeregistry.com. Really, the group over there at Jaguar Health, you saw this partnership today, are putting in the work to care for our furry companions. To learn more, again, that website right there on your screen.